Jain class 7th students. How are you students? Hope you everyone fine. Class 7th students, as you know, in the yesterday class we have to completed the sum, question answer and pick the correct answers. Okay, type. And now we have to clear in the chapter 4 true and false and fill in the blanks. Okay, today we have going to clear in the exercise 4. Exercise 4. Okay, true falses. C. Okay, C true falses. Now the first in the C. Everyone just open the page number 55. Page number 55. Okay, everyone open the page number 55. In the page number 55, see the first line. Okay. Browser automatically add an empty line before and after a paragraph. It is correct. Okay, browser automatically add an empty line before and after a paragraph. Second, width is an attribute of font elegance. Second answer, font attributes are face, color, size. Okay, only there are three attributes: face, color and size. Okay, and alignment. But here is width. Width, I think width is a not attribute of font tag. So second statement is wrong. Okay, here is written width is an attribute of the font tag. So it is wrong, false. The third, okay, third what says? The I open and I close that. Okay, I open and I close that displays the text in an italic and underline typeface. Okay, I tag displays the text in italic and underline. Italic and underline. There is both statements, italic and underline. Okay. I agree with this italic, but I doesn't agree with underline, because we know I is used to italic and U is used to underline. So here is not U tag, so underline is not possible. So I is here, then italic is possible, but underline is not possible. Then one is statement is correct, but after that and is incorrect. So whole statement is incorrect. It means this one is false. Okay, this answer is false. Now fourth is paragraph in element has a closing tag. Paragraph element has a closing tag. Suppose that when you open the paragraph, then after that complete the sentence, then you must have to close the paragraph. It means here is open and here is closed. Okay, here is open and here is closed. Here both are required, open and closed. Okay, so paragraph element has closing tag. It's a correct, true. Now fifth. The fifth is what? Fifth is says Microsoft front page was a popular text editor. Microsoft front page. Microsoft front page was a popular text editor. I think it is a not, but let's have to check it. When I am checking this, so there is not even given this type of editor. But now I have to check. There are two type of editor. Only the notepad and second is voice editor. Okay. Microsoft front page was the popular VoiceOver editor. It has now discontinued. Okay, Microsoft front page was a popular popular text editor. Yes, correct. True. Now, 6. The attribute of the background image property is URL. The attribute of background image property is URL. I think it is not. Let me have checked it. The attribute of what? The attribute of the background image property is URL. Background image. Property. Background image. You can add a picture in the background. No, it's a not. Okay, it's a false because the attribute of background is image property is not a URL. Okay, it's a CSS. Okay, not URL. False. So now I will just point out that first true, second false, third false, fourth true, fifth true, and sixth false. C is completed. Now you come on the D. Fill in the blank. Okay. Fill in the blank. Now the first is HTML program is saved with .htm or .html file extension. .htm and .html file extension. Now second is the inventor of HTML. Is the inventor of HTML? Who is the inventor of HTML? Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Now third is what? The end tag is written with the forward or backward slash. Everyone just say forward or backward slash. The end tag is written with the forward or backward slash. It is the forward, it is the backward. So it is the forward slash. Forward slash is written. Forward or refill. Now fourth, D defines the HTML and extend its capability. Defines the HTML and extend its capabilities. Who's defined the HTML?
Okay. So if you are taking my question.
Okay, attribute. Okay, fourth answer is attribute. Attribute defines. Okay, attribute defines the HTML and extend its capabilities. Now the last is fifth. The fifth is question. The tag is used to display the horizontal line. Horizontal line. So what? HR. So what? HR tag. So hope you everyone completed this. Now this chapter is finished. Only the sum are remain, those I tomorrow completed. Okay, thank you.